Hello, welcome to my channel, Grey Owl Mindset Mentor, the channel devoted entirely to newbie entrepreneurs. Now, we're going to have a very special video today. This video is going to be all about how you can start a business from home today. Literally, when you finish watching this video, you should be in a position to say, wow, let's go for this. We're going to be using a business model which is known as affiliate marketing. It's going to be a step-by-step tutorial. So what I would suggest before we get started is you grab a pen, some paper to make notes, because you're going to need to refer back to this. Also, perhaps you could take this opportunity of just clicking the subscribe button underneath, and we're going to be having more videos like this. So I hope you've got the pen and paper now, have you? Good. Okay, so let me explain first of all, what is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is a method of introducing prospective customers to a supplier or manufacturers of goods and services. And how it works very simply is this: but you're going to put up material onto YouTube which will get people interested. We are then going to be able to link that potential customer to the supplier of the particular goods and products, and by doing that you earn a commission. Call it a fee, call it referral fee, but in fact what it is, it will be a percentage amount of money related to the value of the product. So as you can see, it's a very, very simple operation, but it's extremely effective, and it is used by nearly all the major companies which are on the net. Affiliate market also has very many benefits to you. First and foremost, you won't be responsible for maintaining stocks, so you're going to have no products to keep. You're going to have no problems shipping the goods out, no handling cost at all. And what I like about this, and most people seem to like the idea, that there is no physical direct selling involved. It's a business that you can accelerate at whatever speed you feel comfortable with. And all the promotional material which is required to promote products and sell products on the net is actually supplied by the manufacturer or the provider absolutely free of charge. And these are obviously very professional. Right, so having now decided that affiliate marketing is the way to go, we now concentrate on the product. Now this video is going to concentrate on a subject matter which I believe has got a huge potential, and that market is dogs. Now, why have I chose dog? I can give you 69 million reasons why you should consider dogs, because 69 million is the number of dog owners that there are just in the United States. In fact, I was on the internet the other day and I came across one video there which is about dogs, which actually got 16 million views. By the way, I think I should mention at this stage I'm saying dogs, but any pet that you have can be of great interest to people. In my previous video, I actually do cover the subject of what products to sell, and in that I give quite a few statistics and ideas about how to look at pets and hobbies and pastimes as a very good way for you to go. So you might like to check that video. I've left a link below, you can just click on it. Let's get down to what I call the nuts and bolts of the business. We're going to be using, in this business model, 2 free websites, okay? Namely YouTube and a company called ClickBank. Okay, now YouTube, you're obviously very familiar with. ClickBank, maybe not so much. So let me just give you a very brief outline of who ClickBank are. ClickBank is one of the leading suppliers of digital products. They cover an extremely wide range of subjects. They are an extremely reputable company. They've been in business for many years, so have an awful lot of experience. And they have over 2 million customers. By the way, I would just like to mention at this point, it's I think relevant, but I am not promoting ClickBank here for any form of commission or affiliate fees or whatever. Okay, so the next thing you'll need to know is, how do you set up your ClickBank account? It's a very simple operation. Literally, it only takes a few minutes, and I'm not going to go into great depth in this video. I'm going to get into what I call the most important parts, but there are a number of YouTube videos out there which do go into ClickBank, what it's all about, etc. And I think you'll find that useful if you're in any doubt. Now, one of the things that you will establish once you're on ClickBank as an affiliate marketer, you will be given a unique product code. Now, this is a very important bit of the operation. The code will be your own personal code, which when you put your links into your video, you will give this code, which means that ClickBank can identify the source of that referral and to make sure that you, as the affiliate marketing, get paid. So you'll need to set up your ClickBank account. Very simple to do. Now, once that account's been set up, what you will do is you will go into the search box and quite simply type in dogs. Okay? Now, up will come then a series of products related to dogs. All these products are digital. There's going to be no handling of goods whatsoever. For example, one of the products that ClickBank do, which is an extremely popular product of theirs, it's how to train your dog. But there are very many. And for dogs, read anything. Yeah, read whatever your hobbies may be it cat, snooker, golf, whatever. ClickBank will have it. Okay. Just one other little tiny tip. Once you've clicked on dogs, you've had a good look at what they do, also then click onto home and gardens. They have some fascinating products there which relate to this topic. Now, you can promote your product anywhere on the internet that you want to, and there are a number. But for this exercise, we're going to be using YouTube. So you'll need to set up a free YouTube channel. And this again is a very simple function. We're now going to come to what I call the fun bit. This is the bit which I find very enjoyable. It's something that we will do naturally anyway. Your pet, your dog, during its everyday activity are going to be doing things which you find amusing or interesting or whatever. So what we're going to do is, by using our smartphone, we're going to take a series of very small videos featuring your dog. It could be your dog feeding, it could be your dog doing a trick, it could be your dog just looking pretty. But come on, dogs are very interesting, and I'm sure your dog is as interesting as any. I would suggest, quite honestly, that the duration of this video is not too long. 2 or 3 minutes, maybe 5 minutes at the absolute maximum. So when you've got what you consider to be interesting, amusing things about your dog, you then simply load it onto your YouTube channel. At the end of the video, you are then going to ask people or suggest to people that if they want to find out more information about dogs in general or a particular thing on dogs, there is a link below. And this is the link I mentioned to you earlier. This is your unique product code. So, for example, if anyone should click on your link and goes on to this page, it'll actually be a page, again, not provided by you. This will be provided by the producer of this manual, and they subsequently buy this course, then you will get paid a commission. So you see, it works. It's very simple, but very effective. That really is affiliate marketing in its entirety. That's it. And I think you will all agree it's a straightforward business, it's an honest business, it's an ethical business, and it's a business that you'll enjoy doing. And in my experience, if we enjoy doing something, the chances are very, very high we're going to make a good job on it and we're going to stick with it. So in summary, let me just put my Grey Owl Mindset Mentor hat on and just give you perhaps a little bit of advice and a little bit of awareness of what's going to happen from now on. I hope that after watching this video you're going to say, yes, I can do that. In which case you will have overcome a major hurdle, because most people, when they think of going onto the internet to make money, they procrastinate and they put it off and put it off. My advice to you, don't do that. As soon as you've got something which you're happy with, put it up, okay? The other thing I would like to make you aware of, if you're not already, it isn't going to happen overnight. It's going to take time. So you may almost certainly have to put up a few videos before you start to get a following. And affiliate marketing really is all about getting a following, getting the trust of your customers, getting them to know you, and it's a lovely business. It's what I call the sharing business. Yeah, you've got a hobby, you've got a thing that makes you happy in life. What do you want to do? You want to share it. I'm going to wrap it up there now. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. Press the bell, the little bell below there. Leave a comment. The comment I would like you to leave is as follows. Yes, Grey Owl, I'm going to do it. Or, no, Grey Owl, I'm not. And these are the reasons why. And by doing that, you will help me in making further videos, because I want to produce what you find is useful. So anyway, thanks again for watching. I've enjoyed having your company, and I look forward to seeing you very, very soon. Bye from the Grey Owl.